Alright, now let's go over how to delete a wallet from your Trust Wallet app. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. On the home screen, look toward the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon. Once you're in settings, tap on wallets. This will take you to the wallet selection screen where you can see all the wallets currently added to your app. Find the wallet you want to delete and tap on the three vertical dots next to its name. In this example, I'm deleting a wallet called Multicoin Wallet 2, so I'll tap the three dots right beside that one. Now you'll be taken to a screen showing the details of that wallet, like the name and recovery phrase. In the top right corner, tap the delete icon. Before you delete anything, make sure you've backed up your recovery phrase. This is extremely important. If you delete your wallet without saving that 12-word phrase, you'll lose access to all your crypto forever. To back it up, tap on Show Recovery Phrase, enter your Trust Wallet PIN if prompted. Tick, I understand the risks, and then hit Continue. On the next screen, tap Copy to save your 12-word recovery phrase somewhere safe. Once you've done that, go back and tap Delete again. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the wallet. Tap OK, and your wallet will be deleted from the app. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a wallet from Trust Wallet. Just remember, always back up that recovery phrase before you remove anything so you can restore your wallet later if needed.